Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Kahoot application for your Android device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. In order to begin your download for Kahoot application on Android, first check if you are connected to an internet or not. Turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data. And once you are connected, tap open your Play Store in the search box that appears at the very top of the screen. Type in Kahoot into the search box and tap the search button in the lower right. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result on the next page. If you tap on the app, you can see further information about the app, its ratings and reviews, and so much more. Kahoot is an educational app which can help you play engaging quiz-based games at school, at home, or at work. Kahoot is an online game-based learning platform. It allows teachers, organizations, and parents to set up fun way-based learning for their students. In order to quickly download the app on an Android, tap the install button in green right beneath the application. Wait for your download to finish. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to open up the application and start operating it right away. Once the application is installed and is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right beneath the app. Tap it on to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Kahoot learning app on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.